Hi, this is Manisha Dangat. Today I am going to show you oatmeal cookies with only 4 ingredients. For that we required 1.5 cup of oats, some choco chips, some chopped almonds and 3 bananas. Here we use overripe banana because it gives sweetness to the cookies. So peel off banana. After peeling banana, we have to break down it. So after baking, it look like this. So here we add oats, choco chips and chopped almond and mix it. So our cookie dough is ready. So here I take baking tray with the butter paper. So just take a 1 scoop of cookie dough and give shape and keep it on the baking tray. So after giving a shape to our cookie dough, we have to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius up to 12 to 15 minutes. Now our cookie tray is go into the OTG. Here I just preheated my OTG for 10 minutes. So our cookies are ready. Now cool it down for at least half an hour. So our oatmeal cookies are ready. Thank you.